Teresa Bernadova, tá sé go hála le féchan de gailinse. Agus má chuinn si a chuid feiteach agus fér chuid a wahaid aína, cé go tás na chuon búteoid a chaine nach ag an jigig áhíle agus an híine.
My first routine tonight is the one what I did in the quarterfinals. I picked this routine because I really enjoy dancing it. I don't know if I can win the competition tonight, but I'm really hoping to.
Did you enjoy that?
I did indeed, yeah.
You look like you did anyways. Here the the motor for shin initial hour or dus.
Oh! Op baile séine, even though has baile sin ní ata sem má go baile.
Is a water bomb.
Cés má, ata se chama marráiding tú ná go tí dámsa seanos chun mar go se chama marrá go baile séine. Bhil said. No, cha marrá bhaim si tú feicear móid níos fear ó nachta na gaimst tú chéadhid a chunig bud písa sin. Agus tá áhór nachtarm go bheic me ce an písa nó taid or is pointing. Le chuna dé be muid.
Sé chorális Laura
Aga fiomhrú.
Dó bhas an istir le Seania, chuir hí tusa.
Tá si cúgálan a breithniú ar Teresa. An ceol a bhí ag teach as ahan cuid don chorp, bhí si just go háling, just ar aus ar fad.
Carmina Mad? Níos fa tú duna hartíín ar fad. Chuir hí tusa níos Brendan.
Ja, ó hí an choreografíarta tá sé ínta ar fád, tá sé omláin cinneál forrafa warilse. Is léir gur daní í Teresa a tá just go gafar se dagsa agus tá se san alhaí, so tá mis sem mil na sa le hé.
Níos Teresa, ord bhfuil an sin ó na motor ag scapsí grá se sin níos far ná ó dhearnach go ní way ar an glór.
I want to thank you for the very nice comments, and yeah, I did really enjoy it more because I know I've done it here once already, so you kind of boost the confidence a little bit more.
Cé a bhíonn a codú leat agus tú a réitú písí nua?
I have two helpers at the moment. One of them is my boyfriend.
Brian?
Brian.
Is he in the audience?
He is, indeed, yeah.
Chris is the love and shin Brian Gaveka Mahu. Hello, Brian. Kick will too. So, Cain Kinnell Clachta a Vins to Adena, San Orison Sawalia, Le Brian.
10:30 in the night, we'd be in our hallway, playing the music over and over again, and trying to fit something in because I'd be probably thinking about it for too long, so I needed someone fresh to get into it. So.
You could work turn with your feet.
No, because we living in the first.
Guys, such a bluffer.
No, we live in the first floor, so we have to respect our neighbour underneath us as well. So we be practicing in the socks.
Socks, má bhean Huhain. Agus, I mean, Huhain agus Brian a tridgery nor atá tú a clachta ó score Brian.
Oh, no, he's very good for criticism. And I don't maybe like it, but I know I would probably feel very similar. It's just I need to hear it from someone else, so it's very helpful.
Bhí sí Harkey and Mars Gnátar, you build us more than trades of Bernadova, má bhean. Birth